For property owners seeking window replacement, West Campus Austin, Texas, the fastest way to improve comfort and curb appeal is with West Campus Austin window replacement, designed for local homes, apartments, and rental properties. From house window replacement West Campus TX to apartment window replacement near Nueces Street Austin, upgrading aging glass helps reduce drafts, outside noise, and rising utility bills in Austin, Texas. Many buyers and homeowners near Guadalupe Street, Rio Grande Street, Gabriel Street, and the drag look for replacement windows Austin, Texas that fit the style of older Central Austin properties while adding modern efficiency. Energy-efficient window replacement Austin, Texas is one of the most requested upgrades for homes near UT Austin because Texas heat demands better insulation year-round. Energy-efficient windows West Campus Austin, Texas and insulated window replacement West Campus options help maintain indoor temperatures in historic houses, student rentals, condos, and newer builds throughout the 78,705 area. Whether you need energy-saving window replacement near North University Austin or insulated window services near Lamar Boulevard Austin, modern low-E glass and double-pane systems can make a noticeable difference. Vinyl window replacement West Campus Austin, Texas remains a popular option because it offers durability, easy maintenance, and strong value for homeowners who want affordable window replacement Austin without sacrificing appearance. Vinyl replacement windows near the drag Austin, Texas are especially useful for residential properties exposed to heat, humidity, and frequent use in busy neighborhoods close to campus. For home window replacement West Campus Austin, vinyl frames can complement both traditional architecture and updated exterior renovations across West Campus and nearby Central Austin. Double-pane window replacement Austin is a smart solution for residents who want quieter interiors near traffic-heavy corridors and active student areas. Double-pane windows West Campus neighborhood Austin help reduce sound from Guadalupe and 29th, Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, and surrounding West Campus streets while improving insulation. Homeowners requesting custom double-hung windows West Campus Austin, Texas often pair upgraded frames with insulated glass to create a better balance of ventilation, efficiency, and classic Austin style. Custom window replacement West Campus is ideal for properties with unique openings, architectural details, or older frames that standard products cannot match. Custom home windows West Campus 78,705 allow homeowners to preserve character while still benefiting from modern replacement windows Austin technology and improved weather performance. For properties near historic blocks, older duplexes, and one-of-a-kind homes around West Campus, custom sizing and window frame replacement West Campus can help ensure a clean fit and lasting appearance. Window installation West Campus Austin, Texas should always be completed with close attention to frame condition, structural alignment, and long-term weather sealing. Skilled window contractors West Campus Austin understand how to manage everything from full residential window replacement West Campus projects to targeted old window replacement West Campus jobs in single-family homes, apartments, and multi-unit buildings. If you are searching for window installation near UT Austin West Campus or the best replacement window installers West Campus Austin, Texas, local experience in Austin, Texas neighborhoods matters. Old window replacement West Campus is especially important for homes with warped frames, failing seals, cracked glass, or outdated materials that no longer perform in the Texas climate. Window renovation West Campus Austin often includes window frame installation and replacement West Campus Austin, Texas, sash upgrades, and window glass replacement West Campus for homes that need a mix of restoration and new materials. For houses and apartments near Pease District Austin, West Campus, and North University, replacing old windows can enhance appearance, safety, and efficiency all at once. Storm window replacement Austin, Texas can provide another layer of protection for properties exposed to strong weather shifts, heavy rain, and seasonal wind events in Travis County. Storm window installation West Campus Travis County, Texas is often requested for homes that need better exterior shielding without losing the original design character of the property. Combined with insulated window replacement West Campus and durable frames, storm-ready upgrades help homeowners protect their investment in busy Austin neighborhoods close to downtown Austin and the University of Texas Austin. Window glass replacement West Campus is often the right service when the frame remains usable but the pane is cracked, fogged, chipped, or no longer energy efficient. Window glass replacement West Campus 78701 Austin can restore clarity and insulation for condos, apartments, and homes throughout central Austin, especially in properties near mixed-use zones and student housing. In some cases, local window replacement company Austin teams recommend full frame replacement instead, particularly when water damage, rot, or severe wear affects long-term performance. Affordable window replacement West Campus Austin, Texas is possible when property owners work with a local window company near 24th Street Austin that understands neighborhood housing types and installation requirements. From apartment window replacement West Campus to new windows for homes Austin, local providers can help compare styles, materials, and performance features that fit both budget and design goals. Homeowners searching for replacement windows Austin, Texas near campus often want solutions that balance upfront cost with long-term savings through durable, energy-conscious products. Modern replacement windows near downtown Austin are frequently chosen by homeowners who want a cleaner look, better security, and improved natural light in renovated spaces. New home windows near San Gabriel Street West, campus and residential window upgrades in 78705 Austin, Texas often include slim profile frames, modern hardware, and glass packages made for hot Austin summers. These window upgrade services Austin, Texas can transform an older exterior while making interiors brighter and more comfortable for everyday living. Window replacement near University of Texas Austin is in steady demand because many homes, apartments, and investment properties in West Campus need dependable upgrades that hold up under frequent occupancy. Residential window replacement near Guadalupe Street Austin and window contractors near Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard Austin regularly serve owners of rental homes, duplexes, and multifamily buildings looking for efficient installation and durable products. Whether you need house window installation near Rio Grande Street Austin or apartment window replacement near Nueces Street Austin, choosing a contractor familiar with West Campus Austin, Texas replacement windows can simplify the process. Best replacement windows West Campus Austin projects usually combine high-performance glass, sturdy frames, and expert fitting for lasting results in Austin's climate. From window replacement near Guadalupe in 29th Austin, Texas to full residential window replacement West Campus, the right solution can increase comfort, reduce maintenance, and improve property value. For anyone considering local window replacement company Austin services, focusing on energy-efficient window replacement Austin, Texas, custom window replacement West Campus, and professional window installation West Campus Austin, Texas is the clearest path to better living in Austin, Texas.